I know Genevieve through her work. She had a solo exhibition at CAM. This was the first actual body of work at CAM that made me want to go back and back. How has the visual landscape of Los Angeles really impacted your work?
When I first moved out here, the draw also was, which felt more like where I was from, like driving everywhere to get around.
Okay.
So early on being here, I'm driving and I'm like, I'm literally in TV driving through LA, you know? I'm basically gathering information, I'm observing people and just like filtering that all through, and I'm able to access that later on.
Who do you want to sort of engage with your work?
It's for everyone, but it's like whatever baggage you're bringing to it is what I'm asking you to kind of unpack. But with all of my work, I kind of present it as questions, you know, even if there aren't words in it.
How has the kind of, I guess, changes that have been happening in Los Angeles affected the art you've made and you're making?
It's interesting how much this city changes. I could leave, you know, for a work trip and then come back and I'm like, where did that building come from?
Right.
But I could look back at things that I've shot or locations I've shot and drive by them today, and that scene is completely painted over or gone. So I feel like some of my works are kind of an archive of the community and what it used to have. You're just feeling a sense of a real community, like where people just feel like they belong and they've made their mark and it's their own, especially here in Leimert Park.
Yeah.
Whether it's, you know, street art or folks selling stuff on the streets, all of that just feeds me.